We are going up Morrison Canyon Road. I am with Captain Kurt and Mama Joan.
Oh, the road is closed.
Wow. So how'd they get up there? Maybe we could just go right here.
We can just go right here.
Yeah, Dad, pull over.
This is wow.
I have my ghost box
Why don't you
too.
make a UE and then we have to get out of here quick. You never know.
That's kind of weird how they blocked it off.
Didn't they have some mountain lions up here, hon?
Yep.
Yeah. Did you know that?
Yeah. Yeah, because I parked right here before. There's some horses and stuff over here.
I don't mind a horse, but I do mind a mountain lion.
Are you guys gonna go out the back?
No, just gonna roll right here. Alright, I'm going to use this to try to see if I can see anything like this. Mom, we're not going to get eaten by a mountain lion. Alright, so we're out here on Morrison Canyon Road. Probably can't see me because of this. But we're here to see if we can catch anything UFO. Supposedly there was some sightings of something floating up here. Now I do have the ghost box, so I'm going to use that and ask the spirits if they know anything about any UFOs being over here.
Okay.
But I'll use that in a minute. So this could be a short video. Obviously it's blocked so I can't get through. Well, I could if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. So let's see if there's anything out here. And if there's any spirits here, you can talk into my camera.
Whatever they saw up there. Maybe we should turn our lights off for a minute.
So whatever we can't hear with their ears, it's going to pick up on the camera. So let's do a 2-minute quietness and see if we could pick up anything when I play it back. I mean, you know, on the computer. That's my dad talking in the back. I know you can't see much. There's a big tree right here. There's my mom, she has the flashlight. There's the moon.
See, that's just an airplane there. What they saw was hovering.
Is there any spirits here? So I'm going to use a ghost box and see if we can get anything to come through. Okay. You hold the camera. Okay. You're not going to be able to see anything, so it's going. I'll put on the flashlight. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, the next.
Drop that box.
Drop that box to do that? What the heck was that? Oh, yeah. Okay. Any spirits here? Say your first name. It's your turn to talk.
And then.
Is there anybody here with us right now? We want to know about the aliens, our UFO. Does any spirits know about the UFOs? I don't know shit. So she don't know shit. Well, that was rude, whoever you are. Do you know anything?
Exactly. Others stand up.
How many spirits are here right now? Is there any UFOs here? Did you say hi, Joan?
Is there anybody here with us? Anybody want to talk?
It's your chance to come through.
Come on, you want to talk?
Someone said hi, Joan, huh?
I know, yeah. Did you say hi to me? Did you say hi, Joan?
Yeah.
Well, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Do you know where we're at right now?
A farm.
Oh. We're in Morrison Canyon in Fremont, California.
Is there UFO sightings here?
Somewhat.
Have you seen the UFOs?
Be a good place for them, though. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. This looks like a place they'd go through.
Is it because of the veil is thin and it's going to be Halloween next week? Can you say Halloween?
No, just fun for Halloween, not the devil. No.
Do you like Halloween? Tell us about any UFOs. Hovering. Hovering.
Yeah, I heard hovering.
And you have seen them?
Oh, I just heard aliens.
If you've seen the aliens, let me know.
Yeah.
Is it E.T.?
Anybody hanging out here? It's really beautiful out here. It's like camping. You like to camp?
All right, we're going to give you 1 more minute and then we're going to go. We're just...
Yeah. Anybody want to talk to us?
If you could eat one thing, what would you eat?
Did you say soup? We could get a bunch of stuff out here. Maybe because there's so much.
Can I ask you, where are you from? India?
Yeah, India. Wow. What's your name? You said a name, but I didn't get it.
Oh, okay.
We need to get a real powerful one of those.
Okay.
Okay, well, we're going to go now. So, have a good night, okay? Bye-bye. Bye.
Okay. Okay, goodbye.
It's nice out here. It's like camping, huh? It smells like camping to me.
It does, huh?
Yeah. It's pretty out here, isn't it? Beautiful. Look at the sky.
You're still recording.
Oh, okay.
Geek.
You can get rid of that. So, my toes are
All right, well, we visited Mill Creek Road. Last time I was here, it was with Todd. And there was a horse.
Why there might be something around here.
Okay, now we have to be quiet because now we actually just talk to spirits, so maybe they'll come through the camera, or Helen.
Hey, Helen, are you here with us?
Helen, are you with us right now?
You're with Sherry, probably, huh? Lived in that house. I don't think that's like it. Like I didn't want to leave.
It's so dark, and look at all this animal stuff. Oh, and we got farm. Remember it came through farm?
Yeah. We got farm.
Farm. Oh, I smell it too.
Smell the farm. Yes, that'd be poop. Animal poop.
I need like an abandoned farm.